This is our new Park Series product line. It's designed specifically for the crossover market, the Subarus, the RAV4s. We'll have this for the Outback, RAV4, Crosstrek, Forester, and Bronco Sport, and that kind of vehicle platform. It's a flat pack product, so it ships to you unassembled. You do your own assembly. It comes in several different options. You've got sleep platforms, you've got drawer systems, you've got open face storage. This also has a plate system, but it's optional, so you don't have to do the plate system. It's the first product line we've ever launched that doesn't require a plate system. It's just an option that you can use. So very excited about this. A lot of options and really good functionality, super easy to use. Let's do a camper. This is our Explore series. This is more of our legacy product. We've been making this for a long time. This is a camper interior. This is actually in an alu cab. We do cover all kinds of different campers, Super Pacific, GFC, AT Overland, Vagabond, all those guys. And this basically gives you drawer systems, utility storage cabinets, plate systems, and you can do camp kitchens depending on the vehicle and camper. So camper interiors, we do a ton of camper interiors as well. This is a twofold one. So this is really cool because this is the SEMA Women's Build Bronco. So the SEMA Women's Business Network got together and said, hey, let's build a vehicle that's all women built. And it was incredible. My daughter and Natalie both got to go to the SEMA garage and actually work with all the women. And they built this Bronco and it was unveiled at SEMA. There's a big unveiling party. Talk about proud dad moment, man. Holy cow, super proud dad moment. So they actually went and they actually built this in the SEMA garage. This is our camp kitchen in a single drawer and then a full sleep platform. This is a very common situation we do for 4Runners, Land Cruisers, Broncos. This is really kind of our core. This is where we started the business, and this was really one of our core designs. And, you know, great functionality, ease of use, super strong, super stable. Camp kitchen, slide out. You can do storage. You can do a stove here. Most people put a stove here. They want to do just storage here. Fridge slide out. Super strong and rugged. Can take the abuse you give it. So this is a new collaboration with Scout Campers. Scout Campers, they make a great sliding camper. They've been doing it for years. Incredible construction quality. And we've been working with their team on this for quite a while now, and really happy to have this here. It's in our booth. This is actually on a Ford Maverick. This is a brand new super compact version. It also fits on Gladiators and Tacomas, that kind of stuff. And we did a storage system for them. We created a place for the battery power storage, some drawer storage, a little countertop for your kitchen and food prep. Really cool to be working with a camper company to give them an interior option that allows the consumer to kind of customize and make what they want with their vehicle. This is a new product line. Actually, we just unveiled here at Expo West today. This is a solo camp kitchen. So just like the camp kitchen we just showed the Bronco, this is a solo camp kitchen. So it's basically the same thing. Does not come with a cabinetry around it. It's just the slide and control mechanism. Something people have been asking for a long time. We're finally proud to introduce it here at Expo West. Also is the GFC interior system. So this one's specific to the GFC. It's a lower profile, it's a lighter weight system, so we kept it really low and compact, but still just enough storage to make your GFC a little more functional, a little more livable. Got a nice drawer at the end here, good storage, quick access. You can do all your cooking and everything right off the tailgate. You're ready to go camping. So it's Brian with Goose Gear. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you've enjoyed our little tour of our product line and product makeup. And thanks for Waypoint Overland TV for letting us tell you all about it.